Hey, welcome to my channel, Unbiased LLC. On this channel, we do a lot of crafting, hands-on projects, from making t-shirts to embroidery to sewing to fixing sewing projects to making stickers, doing hair. We do all sorts of things on this channel. So if you are interested in the things that I would like to teach you, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell, baby, because it will let you know every time I post a video and or go live to teach you something. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos, and leave a comment if there's something that you would like to ask me. I do answer back. I am human. Okay. So, welcome to the Purple Patch Crew, baby. And I hope that you enjoy each and everything that is on this channel. I will speak to you guys later and enjoy this video. Well, have you ever wondered how to shorten a zipper that you bought that was too long and you need to make the zipper shorter for a new project? Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. So the zipper that we have on camera right now is 12 inches long, and you can tell that by measuring from the zipper teeth all the way down to the bottom where our zipper ends right here. Okay, and so what I want to do is shorten my zipper to a size 7 inches. So I'm just going to move my ruler just a little bit, and where the 7 inches is on my ruler, I'm just going to make a mark on both sides of the zipper teeth, just like that. And now I can move my ruler out of the way, and I will bring this closer just so you can see the dots that I made. Hopefully you can see the dots. And so what you need to do, or what you want to do, is you want to take a needle and some thread, preferably the same color as your zipper. But if you don't have the same color, just try to match it the best way that you can. And what you want to do is, where you mark those two dots, you want to take your needle underneath the zipper, and you want to go in and pull the thread so that the tail is at the bottom of the zipper, underneath the zipper. We want to hide this as much as possible. And then on the other side of the dot, you just want to go in and come all the way out or down. And what I normally do is I take where my knot is in the back, and then I just loop my thread, my needle, into this thread to make another knot, just like this, and pull it tight, okay? And then you just want to keep going in and out, making a loop all around the zipper where you want the zipper to stop. So what you're doing is you're making a stop. You're making a makeshift stop, like how the manufacturer make a stop. You're just going to make your stop with the thread. And then I would do this about 3 times. And then the next time you want to, when you bring it in from the bottom, you want to take it in at the bottom, okay? And then bring it out. But then you want to take this needle underneath the teeth to bring it out on the other side. So it goes in and it comes out, in and out, okay? So now what you're doing is you're making loops underneath the teeth to stop it when the zipper pulls, okay? And you do this about 5 to 7 times, just be secure in your stitching. And after that, we will loop it in the back. You want to loop it underneath the bottom of the zipper once you're done, just so we can hide the stitches, okay? So I'm just going to continue to loop this about 3 more times. And then we're going to pull it through the back. And I'll show you, you just want to pull it through the back. And you want to tie it off. So when you flip it, I normally, flip this and take the stitching from the back and make another loop so that I can tie it. Just like this. And then I stick this needle into the stitching so I can make a tie. And now I'm all done. You want to cut the threads off. Just like that. And now what you can do is take your ruler and measure about a 1/2 inch from where you just sewed. And you want to make a mark. And that's where you will cut your zipper off. Don't forget to leave a tail on your zipper when you cut it off. And you should be able to use regular scissors because most zippers are made with the plastic teeth. So your scissors should just go straight through that. If you're using a zipper that has metal teeth, just try your best to get some real sharp scissors, heavy duty scissors, and you will be able to achieve this same look. So I hope that this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more of these types of videos. And I appreciate you for watching. I will show you what the back looks like. And this is the front of the zipper. Now we have a 7-inch zipper that we can use. Thank you and have a blessed day.